Hi, happy to have you here today. Welcome to the new Advanced Ligo video series. After exposing the basics, it's time to dive deeper into the great features provided by this language. In this video, we will talk about how to split your code using namespaces and imports. The more your code grows, harder it is to maintain. Namespaces are an essential construct in programming languages. Enable the grouping of related definitions to enhance organization and clarity. Namespaces are declared with a namespace keyword and are demarcated by a block starting with opening brackets and ending with closed brackets. It is mandatory that your namespace name start with an uppercase letter. Everything that needs to be outside of the namespace has to be exported with the export keyword. Just for your information, namespaces come in nested. It means that you can declare a namespace inside of namespace. For example, we will look at the following code here. We declare a namespace euro that packages together a type T, a function add, and two values of the given currency for the coin 1 and 2. For me, there are two reasons to use a namespace. The first reason is to split your code inside the same file. I don't use it too much personally. The second reason I use is to split your code into several files. It is a more common use case as the code grows rapidly. We will see just after using the keyword import. To use or access a namespace, you need to use the dot operator. So let's write some code. Here I want to reuse the type T of the namespace euro. Then I want to use the function add of the namespace euro. If I want to compile the code, it's okay. Okay, so now as I have divided my code into several parts inside the same file, I will try to split it in two files now. So I'm creating a new file that will contain the contract, and I will keep the namespace in its own file. So I cut all the code relative to the contract and I passed it to the other contract. I can see the error displayed by the IDE. The module euro is not found. So module is a name for all common. They are equivalent of namespaces in JS Ligo. To import my namespace, I need to use the keyword import. Here is the syntax I need to use. Okay, so now my namespace is imported, but I still have an error. It's because the namespace is already declared in the previous file. And here with the import, I redeclare a new namespace. So I don't want to use two namespaces like euro.euro.t. I will just remove the one declared in the previous file. Okay, so I deleted the declaration on my previous file. And now I have a correct import. As you can see, you have auto-completion. And here too. This time I can compile my contract and see that it still works. Cool. Ligo namespace are really a great feature in Web3 languages. It works like in TypeScript. We cannot say the same for Solidity. You need to play with inheritance of function, and it's not so easy. Now you know how to code huge smart contract code in a clean way. Thank you for watching and see you for the next video.